questions that Steve Cohn was asked in Stock Market Wizards was, what's the most difficult thing to teach a trader? And I remember reading this, and I can see the words on the page still. He said, the most difficult thing to teach a trader is how to add to a winning position, because it's scary, because it raises your cost basis in the position. Most people are accustomed to, if you really love a trade and it goes against you, you can get in with more, lower your average price. And if you loved it at $10, you probably really love it at $7. But the real money is made when you put your foot on the gas and you add to something that's going well. And a simple method that I learned not early on in my trading career, way later than I should have, is if a position's going in my favor and it pulls back, if it's going in my favor and I'm watching it from a 60-minute chart and I log in once a day and it pulls back, it does a 5% retracement or a 13% retracement or whatever it is, if you use fib levels or support and resistance levels or whatever you want to use. When it pulls back, I add another trade. And then if it pulls back again and the previous two trades are profitable, same again, add another position. And then if it pulls back again and all three of those previous positions are profitable, add again. And I'm increasing my cost basis, but I'm only ever adding to positions that are already winning. This is like one of the most difficult things I've ever had to do, ever in the markets. It's more difficult than taking a loss. It's more difficult than coming back from difficulty. So what I did was I just automated it. I just built a robot that once the position is going well, if it pulls back, it adds another position as long as all of the other previous positions are profitable. And it goes for one big target. The other element of all of this, adding on a pullback when all the other positions are profitable, is saying that if I want to make, let's say, $100,000 in a position, and I only have one unit, it's got to move a long way. But if I'm adding to the position as it's winning, I can actually make that $100,000 in a more compressed period of time and market movement. And it's easy to understand the fact that the market more easily moves short distances than it moves long distances. So you get a lot more opportunities to pack a bunch of trades into a really easily extendable distance. It's easy for the market to move 50 points. It's hard for the market to move 1,000 points. But if you can pack 1,000 points worth of profit into a 50 pip movement, a 50-point movement, that's a game changer.